quiet of our village, where the rice fields grow, my mother told her stories in whispers soft and low. At mealtime she'd smile and say, "I'm not hungry, dear," but I saw the truth in her eyes through every silent tear. She hid her pain behind a gentle smile, and love stretched out for miles and miles. In every little lie, a sacrifice, a mother's heart so pure and wise. Oh, mother, your lies were woven with love, in the fabric of our lives, like the stars above. You gave us your all, though you had none to spare. In every little lie, I see how much you care. On festive days, she'd say my clothes are still fine. While we wore new garments, she stood in the same old line. She'd send us off to play, saying, "I don't need your hand," but her tired eyes told stories I didn't understand. Oh, mother, your lies were woven with love, in the fabric of our lives, like the stars above. You gave us your all, though you had none to spare. In every little lie, I see how much you care. The hunger in your eyes, the dreams you set aside, the silent hidden cries. Now I know the truth behind each gentle lie. You were our silent hero, never asking why. Oh, mother, your lies were woven with love, in the fabric of our lives, like the stars above. You gave us your all, though you had none to spare. In every little lie, I see how much you care. In the fields of memory, love will always grow. Mother's silent sacrifice, more than words can show. Oh, mother, your lies were woven with love, and in my heart forever, your spirit will rise above.